Monica Groen, and I'm with the USA Digital team here in Atlanta, Georgia. I would like to speak with you about our web amendment tool. This tool is easy to use, it's available 24/7, and provides high-quality data with only a few clicks. The other great thing is, regardless of which channel you submitted your booking, you can amend your booking from our website. Please note that in the best interest of our customer, only the party that submits the initial request will be allowed to amend or cancel the booking. After you have logged into our website from either the Home or Online Business Suite, please select the Book drop-down to find the booking amendment page. Just input your booking number and select Enter. You will see the routing on the top of the page, so you can verify that you are amending the correct booking. You can then select I want to update booking or I want to cancel booking from the request section. To amend the booking, select I want to update booking, then select an amendment type from the drop-down. There are several types to choose from. Vessel and routing, where you can roll your booking to another vessel. Equipment information, if you want to change your container size or quantity. Cargo information, you can update your booking from non-HAZ to HAZ. And other, where you can change your customer reference number. For this example, we're going to roll our booking. You will note that after you select the Change Vessel, a Reasons drop-down appears. Select the most relevant reason. Cargo is not ready. Now please make sure you input as much information as possible in the remarks field to assist our internal team with your request. I'm going to advise, please roll to the next vessel, but you can request a specific vessel such as the Hamburg Express or cut date of next week. You can also add up to 3 megabytes of attachments. If you are updating your booking from non-HAZ to HAZ, please attach your hazardous declaration. You will also note that we can add up to 10 additional amendment types per booking. Let me show you how to add an amendment. Just select Add Amendment and select a different amendment type. Let's increase the number of containers on our booking. From the Equipment Information drop-down, select Increase Container, and in the remarks we'll type Add 2 high cube for a total of 4 high cube. Select Continue to review your changes. You will note that your default email address is posted. However, if you wish to have the acknowledgement sent to another email address, you can update the field at this time. Once you hit Submit Request, please allow up to 2 business hours per your request to be processed. But say when you're reviewing your amendment and realize you didn't want to increase the number of containers, simply hit the Edit button, then hit the Delete button on the right side of the page. Now let me show you how to cancel a booking. Please note that it is important to cancel unused bookings to allow Hapag-Lloyd to better plan our vessels. Again, we'll go to the booking amendment page, input our booking number, but instead of I want to update my booking, we'll select I want to cancel booking. You will see several amendment reasons from the drop-down. Select the most appropriate. We'll say cargo is not ready. Then in the remarks, post additional comments to assist the Hapag-Lloyd booking team with the request. We'll add warehouse is low on material. Then select Continue to review the data. Then hit Submit Changes. Again, it will take up to 2 hours for the cancel request to process. Please remember that a case number will be created for every booking so that you can refer to it as needed. As you can see, our web amendment tool is super easy to use, and alternatively, you can access it from our Hapag-Lloyd Navigator as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe as we will be releasing more content regarding our digital tools in the future. Until next time, thank you and have a great day.